We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
A convection microwave oven uses the fan to circulate the hot air as well as the radio frequency energy to cook, heat and bake the food. As a result, the food cooks from inside out, retaining moisture and having a much better flavor.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.